Hey guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to the Food, Health, Nutrition, Wealth YouTube channel. So today we're going to make a recipe for a Brussels sprout casserole, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. I have a large bag of Brussels sprouts here. We're only going to need about 1.5 pounds of those. And then we're going to need some cheddar and mozzarella cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some eggs, heavy whipping cream, avocado oil, and then some salt and pepper. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. Let's get into it. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to put the 1.5 pounds of the Brussels sprouts onto a baking sheet that's lined. Next, we're going to add the avocado oil. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Next, we're going to season with salt and pepper. This is really to taste. Just going to give it a quick mix here. Just to coat it a bit better, the oil. And now I'm gonna put it into a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're using fresh Brussels sprouts, it'll be about 20 minutes. So you can see here that the Brussels sprouts were taken out of the oven and placed into a lasagna casserole dish. They got browned up nicely. These were in for 30 minutes. And like I said, if you did have fresh instead of frozen, I would maybe go down to like 20 minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pour the egg and cream mixture over the Brussels sprouts evenly. And then we're going to top it with the shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese. So now we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, actually, we'll be doing the broil, and that'll help brown it up on the top. Alright guys, you can see it here. It just came out of the oven. The broiler setting was only on for about 3 minutes. Then I thought it was browned enough. I didn't want to let it burn. But yeah, it smells great and it'll cool down now and then we can serve it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can find all the ingredients listed here. And like always, if you go into the description box of the video, I'll have the full recipe details on how to make it and all the steps involved. And so you can follow along and make it yourself. Here is the nutrition information. This is based on the ingredients and the amounts that I used. If you make any substitutions or variations, it may vary, but those are there for you to use as a guide. And they're also in the description box as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help us a lot, and it lets me know that you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so you guys can know and see when I put new videos up. I do put up weekly recipe videos and also weekly meal planning and grocery haul videos. So if that's something you're interested in, I'd love to have you join this group. All right then, so until next time, bye-bye.